Welcome to my presentation. I am Nisa Gizemezakın. Today I will talk about the difference between the human brain and computer under two main headings. First, I will talk about difference in capacity, performance, and operation under technical differences. Then I will talk about the sentimental differences part, or we can say the artistic differences. And this is the outline of mine. To compare brain and computer, I have to define these two objects briefly. Human brain is a part of our nervous system, the chef of human body and mind, the center of our senses and thoughts, and primary source of human characteristic. The computer is a device made of hardware and software. Hardware helps get data from outside and allow data to export it as desired after processing by software. Software is the operating system that determines the computer's information processing capacity and characteristics. Technical differences. How a computer works is not a mystery. Even the most complex computer in the world, the engineers who designed it know how each part of it works and what it does. On the other hand, we have only just begun to understand how the human brain works with today's technology, and a large part of how it works remain a mystery still. In both, there is a progress and change, that is evolution. The evolution of human brain is prolonged and driven by purposeless natural selection. However, computers are modified and developed according to the wishes of humans, because the humans invent and develop the computers like very naturally. The capacity of human brain cannot be improved with the additional parts like CPU or RAM. However, the computer ability can be enhanced by adding components such as CPU, RAM, or ROM. This is RAM and this is CPU. Computers are faster than humans at mathematical operations and some operations. It is entirely off when the computer is off. On the other hand, the human brain continues to work as long as the individual is alive, albeit in different phases. Otherwise, it means death. The human brain is an organic substance. Like most organic substances, its main components are elements such as carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and etc. It also consists of living cell and show vitality. However, the computer is not organic and does not show vitality. Anusuya and Cathy state that the main memory element of the brain is parasynaptic connections, like in here we see in a picture. The other words, it increases the neural circuits memory. There can be 10 to 8,432 bits memory capacity. However, we have to add limited chips to improve computer memory. Therefore, I can say that unlike computers, human memory can develop independently, although it's not entirely unlimited. Sentimental differences, the artistic differences. One of the main differences between the brain and computer is how it uses information. Computers can keep large amount of data and programs in their memory. However, they can process or change this information under leadership of a command. For example, the computer I'm using now has internet access and search engines that enable it to find information it wants. Moreover, it can organize and transfer this information in various programs, such as PowerPoint. On the other hand, the computer cannot inquire about information. Therefore, it cannot research independently and cannot give emotional reactions to the research. Moreover, it cannot reach new data from the old information. For example, I am the one who prepared this presentation on the computer right now, not the computer itself. However, the human brain has imagination and curiosity and sensibility. The human brain may wonder or imagine the situation for no apparent reason. It can design experiments that can make observation and use the information it has obtained as it wants. It can also emotionally affected by the data it collects, be happy, sad, depressed, etc. Moreover, it can obtain new information with the help of its creativity from the information it has received or produce artistic contents from any stimulus. But this computer cannot be affected by the slide and draw the picture in paint. So briefly, I can say that curiosity, power of thinking, learning, emotions, imagination, self-awareness, sensibility, there are the unique abilities that belong to the human brain, and these are the main differences between the human brain and the computer. And as additionally, today there are branches of science that aim to develop artificial intelligence, such as machine learning and deep learning. They aim to make computers smarter by observing and imitating the features mentioned above of the human brain. Many big technology companies are working to develop in this field. If a computer that is artificial intelligence can be designed in the future that can imitate all the features that make a person human, we may find it challenging to see the differences between computer and the human brain. However, that is not the subject of this presentation for now, so I just want to mention it. Thank you for your listening to me. Any questions? And this is the references part.